Time for another video. Let's gacha!
안녕하십니까 여러분, 저는 영국 아저씨입니다. And behind me is the great Buddha of Kamakura.
To go and see the great Buddha at Kamakura, the Enoshima electric railway is the train that you can use to go to the station Hase to see Kotoku-in temple. That's where the great Buddha resides. And here comes my train, arriving at Fujisawa Station. Riding the Enoshima Electric Railway is such a wonderful experience. The trains themselves are classic and enchanting. Leaving Fujisawa Station, you will go down to Enoshima Island, weaving through side streets and then eventually arriving at the sea. The train travels along the sea and it's a really beautiful and unique experience. Inside the train there are indicator boards featuring different languages. There's English and Korean and also Chinese. It's very easy to see where you are, and here you can see the train weaving around. Beautiful and really fantastic. Highly recommend that if you do anything in Japan, try out the Enoshima Electric Railway. I highly recommend that you take a walk around inside the Great Buddha, and you can learn about how the Buddha was made using sophisticated techniques.
Kotoku-in temple here in Kamakura, Japan. And it's worth noting that Rudyard Kipling, he visited Kamakura in 1891 and he actually wrote a poem about this place after seeing the great Buddha. It really is a fantastic place. Highly recommend taking the Enoshima electric railway, which is really cute to get here. Come to Hase train station and from there it's about a 10-minute walk up to the temple. Many thanks for watching and please subscribe if you feel in the mood. I came to see the great Buddha near Hase Station in Kamakura, Japan. See you again soon.
Kamakura, Kotoku-in, near Hase Station, Kanagawa Prefecture, Japan. Open from 8 AM to 5 PM. Entry 300 yen for adults and 150 yen for children. The Enoshima Electric Railway Pass is 650 yen for adults, 330 yen for children, and the trains run from 5 AM to 11 PM each day. The salads at Chaya Bowl are amazing. They have vegetarian dishes and ones with meat starting at around 14,000 yen.